Welcome to Math Challenge 446. In Math Challenge 446, we have a circle and a semicircle. A circle and a semicircle. We have to find the radius BC of the semicircle. B is the center of the semicircle, but C is not the center of the circle. The point C is not the center of the circle, but the point B is the center of the semicircle. We have to find the radius BC given the length of the line segment AB is 1 unit and the length of the line segment CD equal to 6 units. AB is 1, CD is 6, and we have to find the radius BC of the semicircle. Math challenge for school exams, junior and senior Olympiads and competitive examinations. So let us find the radius BC of the semicircle. So look at the figure on the left, the top left. BC is the radius and BX and BY are also equal to R. BC is equal to the radius, BX is also radius, BY is also radius. So each of them will be R radius. The value of R we have to find out. AB is 1 unit given and B to D, that is B to C, is the radius R and C to D is 6 units given. So the total length of BD would be 6 plus R. So from the point B, B to C, B to X and B to Y, each of them would be equal to the radius R. AB is 1 unit given and B to D, that is BC radius plus CD 6 units, that is 6 plus R. Now forget the semicircle for the time being. Forget the arc of the semicircle. Take only the diameters or the straight lines. XY, the diameter of the semicircle, and AD, the vertical diameter of the circle. So when two chords intersect, XY and AD are two chords intersecting at point B, then AB into BD will be equal to XB into BY. AB into BD will be equal to XB into BY because two chords are intersecting inside the circle. So forgetting the arc of the semicircle, considering only the diameters, the diameter of the semicircle and the diameter of the circle, we get two intersecting chords. So the product of AB into BD will be equal to the product of XB into BY. So AB equal to 1 given, BD equal to 6 plus R, and XB and BY each equal to R. So AB into BD equal to XB into BY, that is 1 into 6 plus R equals R into R. XB into BY each is R, so R into R, that is 6 plus R equal to R square. So R square minus R minus 6 equal to 0, that is R minus 3 into R plus 2 equal to 0. So R will be equal to 3 or minus 2. So rejecting the value minus 2, R equal to 3. So the required radius of the semicircle, 3 units. What we did? AB into BD equal to XB into BY, the intersecting chords. AB is 1, BD is 6 plus R, and XB equal to R, BY equal to R, each equal to radius. So 6 plus R equal to R square. Factorizing, we get R minus 3 into R plus 2 equal to 0. So R equal to 3 because we reject the negative value, R equal to minus 2. So we get the required radius of the semicircle as 3 units.